Hello family, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple DIY treatment to grow your hair while you are asleep. For this treatment, I'm using 3 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds, which is great for our hair, high in protein and promotes hair growth. It helps with dryness of hair and various scalp issues. Next, I'm adding some warm water. Make sure to add enough water because the fenugreek seed is going to soak up a lot of water and double in size. Then I'm going to add 2 stems of rosemary leaves, which has amazing benefits for hair, stimulates new hair growth and stimulates scalp circulation. Then cover up the jar and let it infuse till the next day. You can also boil the ingredients for 10 to 15 minutes and infuse it for few hours, but I prefer to leave mine overnight so I can get all the amazing benefits. After leaving it to further infuse overnight, here is the color I got and the seeds doubled in size. That means our treatment is ready. Next, I'm going to strain it out and store the seeds in the fridge and use it for my next hair mask. You never want to throw the seeds away because they are very good for your deep conditioners. You can check out my other videos where I show you how to use the seeds. Next, I'm adding 2 ml of vitamin E oil and 7 drops of tea tree essential oil and then mix very well. So guys, the hair treatment is ready. You can always make your hair happy with just some simple ingredients and you don't need to do too much. I'm going to pour the hair treatment into my application bottle and then store in the refrigerator for about a week. I'm quickly going to show you guys how I apply this treatment on my hair every night before going to bed, and also cover my hair with a satin cap. I also use a satin pillowcase on my bed, which helps to keep my hair moisturized and helps to reduce breakage. You can also apply this treatment on your hair every 2 to 3 days. You don't have to rinse out this treatment. You can apply it whenever you are having your protective hairstyles like your braids, cornrows, and massage it properly into your scalp. Once I'm done spraying the treatment all over my hair, I'm going to section my hair in single braids, spray it all over, massage my scalp, and then put on my satin cap before going to bed. So guys, let me know in the comment section what are the leave-in treatments you use for your natural hair, and if there is any new tips that will help our hair stay moisturized and grow while we are asleep. Just let me know in the comment section. So guys, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks everyone for always stopping by to watch my videos. I appreciate you all and see you in my next one. Bye.